Now I'm flexing like the jack of all trades. Yeah. And shout out my dog Andre. He a jack of all trades.
Alright guys, this is J.O.A.T.D. back with another video. Here in front of you is a Delta planer. This is a 13-inch model. The model number is 22-555. Today's video is to show you how to replace the drive belt that is in this right here. Alright, that side panel. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is remove this Allen screw and this one here. They are number 5, and the handle here is a number 4. If you have the tool, you can remove the handle with the tool. Just put it in there and hold it and break it loose. So that'll take that off. So let's go ahead and take this screw out. There it is. And remember, it's a screw and it's an actual washer too. So you have, let's see, the washer and the screw. All right. And this will just pull right off. Now this is keyed. See, it has that D shape. And this also has the D shape, so it'll only go on one way. Now, like I told you, the big Allen screws are a 4. You stick that in there and try to break it loose. Just like that. Same with the one over here. Just like that. All right. So all this will come off at one time. Just pull it up. Just like that. Now these poles are gonna slide out. Okay, so as soon as you take this off, the poles are gonna fall out. Okay, make sure you keep up with those screws in there. Go ahead and remove the poles. And this side cover right here, it'll just come off. Just like that. Make sure you don't bend the needle because it goes in front of this. All right. So as you can see right here on the side, there's the belt. Now it has this cover right here. All you have to do is push back on this cover at the top. Push back and lift up. So push back, lift up. All right. That's how it's in there. Just push back and lift up. All right. All right, guys. So let's get this belt off. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate the belt upwards. Up. All right. While I'm doing that, I'm going to pull away from the motor right here. So I'm pulling away from it. As I'm doing that, the belt's starting to come off. You can see it's starting to come off. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is I need to work it off of here too. So now I'm going to go down and pull outwards. Don't get your hand pinched between the pulley and the belt. Okay. Just like that. All right. So I have both sides off. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little baby flathead, stick it right up under there. I'm going to stick it right up under here. Pull towards me. And try to work this belt the remainder of the way off. work it off the bottom down here. There we go. It's a little rough, but it'll come off. All right, so now we're just gonna tuck it down. Take your flathead and kind of just push it, just like that. There you go. So we got the belt off, and to get it off this side, you're just gonna turn it sideways and down like that. It's a little rough, but it'll come out. Okay, so then you're gonna get your new belt. This is still the old belt, but if you need the belt number, let's see if I can get it to focus. Well, that number says 135J. If you can see it. All right, that's what that number says, 135J. Okay, so let's get it back on. So you're gonna go right back in. You're gonna flip it up this way. Just like that. All right. Then we're going to turn it sideways again and fit it up through here. I'm going to use this flathead to kind of force it in there. Just like that. All right. So now that you got this little part up here, we're gonna have to work this back onto the motor. So I'm gonna pull this off just a little bit. We're gonna turn it this way. See, it's already kind of on it a little bit. So we're gonna turn it this way and try our best to get it to ride on this belt. All right, so we got it mostly on, and we're gonna have to work it back towards the machine. So what I'm doing is I'm turning it this way, but I'm pushing the belt. So I'm pushing it and turning it to get it to sit where it's supposed to. All right, so I got it almost. And we're gonna do the same thing with this. We're gonna go back down that way, but we're pushing the belt in instead of pulling it out. almost. It's correct at the bottom, but it's off a little bit. See that? On the top. So I'm gonna run it back up and push in. And there you go. Like I said, it's a little rough, but it'll go on and it'll come off. It makes it so you don't have to take this whole thing apart to remove the belt. All right, so we got the belt on. Like I said, don't get your fingers pinched between this belt and this pulley. It's good. Now we got to do is put everything back together. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is get this side piece and slide that back here. Remember, down here at the bottom, it kind of sits in there like that. It's actually sitting in a groove, that groove right there. So make sure it's in that groove. Make sure it's behind the needle. Then we're going to get the poles. Put the pole back in here. And here. And then we need this piece. I'm going to pour the actual screws out. Okay, so this part goes this way, just like that. See how it's lined up in that hole? Now I'm going to put this back in there. And the same with this one over here. Pull it towards you, just like that. Then get the two screws and put those back in. One here. Like I said, it's a 5. Take the 5, put it in there, and run it down. Same way with this one. So you gotta line, all I'm doing is lining this up with that hole, those threads down there. What I'm gonna do is use my drill. There it goes. See that? It's just not faster. I'm using a T30 if you want to know. I wouldn't use it to tighten it down with, but tighten it down like this. That's good. And the one over here. That's tight. Then we're going to get the handle, and there you go. And then we need the smaller screw and washer. It's hard trying to do this with one hand. All right, I'm going to put that in here. Put it down and get our tool here. And that's it. Move some of this stuff out the way. Oh yeah, I forgot to put this back on. But I think I can actually put this on without taking everything apart. Let's see. I kind of need two hands to do it. But what you want to do is make sure you put this back on before you, there it is, before you put this part on. And it's good now. That's it. So we got it in. But like I said, make sure you put that part on before you put this all back together. But that is it, guys. That is how you remove and install a new belt on your Delta 22-555. That's the model number. This is a 13-inch Delta planer. All right, guys, this is J.O.A.T.D, and I hope this helps you. Please take a look in the descriptions area. I have a lot of links in there that will benefit you on this machine here. All right, like where to get the blades from, where to get the belt from, things like that. All right, guys. Oh, and I also will have a 3D printed key for this machine, just in case you lose this one. Oh, and just in case you don't know what I mean by 3D printed file of the key, this right here. This. I have a 3D printed file for this if you need to print you out one of these. It just makes it so you can turn it on and off. If you take the key out, it doesn't work. Okay? So if you're looking for a 3D printed file for this, it'll be in the descriptions area. All right.